Choosing the right niche is often the biggest challenge for beginners starting on YouTube. Many aspire to create content like MrBeast or Zach King. But the reality is that channels like these require significant expertise, time, and money. Resources most beginners don't have. Competing with established creators and their large production teams can make success feel out of reach. To simplify things, I've analyzed hundreds of niches to find the best options for beginners. These aren't just any ideas. They're accessible from anywhere in the world with an internet connection, don't require you to be on camera, and can even be created on your mobile phone. Plus, I'll guide you step by step through the content creation process for each one. Let's dive in. Website tutorial channel. Take Create a Pro website, for example. A YouTube channel with just over 400,000 subscribers, making over $80,000 per month by posting short website tutorials. Starting a similar channel is straightforward. Begin by choosing a channel name related to website tutorials. Research popular website builders like Wix, Hostinger, and GoDaddy, and create multiple tutorials on each tool before moving on to the next one. This speeds up production and provides viewers with focused, value-packed content. To generate ideas, type "How to WordPress" into YouTube's search bar and explore auto-suggestions. For recording, use Camtasia and edit with CapCut. If you prefer not to use your voice, AI voiceover tools like 11 Labs can generate professional audio. Thumbnails can be simple but effective. Use Canva to design clean, text-focused icons. Building traction takes time, but stay consistent, and you could enjoy passive income in the long term. Now that we've explored the potential of a website tutorial channel, let's transition to another lucrative niche that's gaining popularity: health and wellness. This niche not only has a broad audience, but also allows you to tap into the growing demand for accessible health information. Before we dive in, if you're finding value in this and are eager to start a profitable YouTube channel, hit the like button to let me know. It really helps me understand which topics to dive deeper into for you all. Health and wellness niche. The health niche offers incredible potential, especially as it's less crowded than saturated niches like motivational videos. You don't need advanced skills to get started, and AI tools make script writing, video ideas, and visual creation easy for beginners. Take Eternal Health, for example. With around 300,000 subscribers, they earn approximately $20,000 monthly by sharing easy-to-follow health tips and recipes. Then there's Elevate the Mind HQ, a leading channel in this niche, boasting over 230,000 subscribers and generating around $10,000 per month through informative videos about health and nutrition. Step 1. Create your channel name and logo. Start by picking a name that resonates with your audience. Ask ChatGPT to generate a list of health-related name ideas. After you choose one, use Ideogram AI, a free logo generator, to create your logo. Simply ask ChatGPT for a prompt to create a health-inspired logo. Paste it into Ideogram AI, select your preferred size, and generate. Step 2. Script and voiceover. Ask ChatGPT to write a quick script for a YouTube short, like boosting thyroid health. Then, head to 11 Labs to create a high-quality voiceover. Paste the script, select a voice style, and generate the audio. Step 3. Create visuals for visuals. Bing AI Designer can produce high-quality images for your script's key scenes. Ask ChatGPT to create prompts for each scene, paste these into Bing AI, and generate images. Pexels in Canva is another source for free video clips that fit your script and add realism. Step 4. Edit your video. Editing with CapCut is easy, especially for beginners. Arrange your media to sync with the voiceover, add animations to images, and use CapCut's caption tool for clean text overlays. Consistent, easy-to-read captions add a professional touch. Step 5. Add finishing touches. Enhance engagement by adding background music, keeping it subtle so it doesn't overpower the voiceover. Close the video with a call to action, prompting viewers to subscribe, like, or comment. These small touches are crucial for engagement and channel growth. So there you have it, the top niches for beginners to start a successful YouTube channel without needing a huge budget, advanced skills, or even being on camera. Whether you're interested in website tutorials or health and wellness, Each of these areas offers the potential for growth, a loyal audience, and even passive income over time. Remember, the key to success is consistency. Choose a niche that genuinely interests you, stick with it, and keep improving your content. Even the biggest channels started with just a few subscribers, so stay focused and keep pushing forward. And if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more tips on building your online presence and creating a profitable YouTube channel. Thank you for watching, and good luck on your YouTube journey.